Right, this is Novo Shop channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates won, Polokwane City won. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Well, I feel a bit disappointed, but yeah. I'm just glad we make it through, man, you know. But taking out Lodge was a big mistake, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie, dog.
So you think taking him out was not...
Yeah, it doesn't good at all. Nah.
Yeah. What about Kimvuidi? Because he also took Kimvuidi out.
Well, he also played his part, but Lodge, guys.
Yeah.
That guy knows his games, guys. He really knows his stories.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm just glad that we go through. Yeah.
So what do you think the coach must do in your next game? Because it seems like, you just lost 4 points in 2 games. What's going to happen in future if something like this happen?
Well, we're going to lose a lot. We're going to lose.
Yeah.
Well, Lodge must be in that game again, dog.
Yeah.
We want Lodge again in that game.
You want him to play 90 minutes?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Please, coach, please. Lodge again, 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Please.
So on a lighter note, who was your man of the match tonight?
Well, to be honest, it does Lodge, man. Yeah. It does Lodge.
Played very well. Eh?
Yeah, but the coach is so disappointing. He's so disappointing. I don't want to lie.
Yeah, I saw him, giving Lepasa 10 minutes. What's happening?
Eish.
And Lepasa ufana now.
Well, I don't know, but it's fine, man.
Yeah, you're disappointed, eh?
Yeah, a bit. I'm a bit disappointed, but
Yeah.
I'm just glad that we got through, man.
Oh, sorry, man. Let's hope that against Richards Bay away, you'll play very well. Eh?
Yeah, but I hope that we will take this league.
Yeah? Playing like this?
We will.
But Sundowns is gone.
Sundowns, nah.
Yeah.
Amanza mancane, it's too early.
Amanzi amancane.
Yeah.
Uhlula Polokwane City.
Yeah.
At home.
Amanza mancane.
Hey, Arrows and Golden Arrows and Super Sport, yeah, they might challenge, but Kaiser Chiefs, Pirates,
Okay,
and
well, I believe in my team.
yeah.
Okay? We believe in our team.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
No, I keep believing. No more. Thank you. All the best. Eh?
Thank you.